Just this past week, we had contractors from all over the Northeast in-house for a spray foam training. We got to spray with the new FX gun in our spray booth. I got to spray with it, and I haven't sprayed since they came out with the PC, so it's been a while since I've been in the field spraying, and I'll tell you what, it was amazing to feel how light this thing was in my hand. We did get quite a bit of feedback from guys that still are in the field spraying every day.
I just used the FX Fusion and it was shot super smooth, felt really good coming out of the gun. I really enjoyed shooting it. I've been spray foaming for 4 months now about, using the Clear Shot, and I loved that one, and this one's even lighter than that. The FX Fusion appeals to me definitely because of the cartridge system, how you're able to just pop it out and don't have to worry about taking out the entire gun. Whenever you have a jam in there, you can just put a new cartridge in there, clean out the mixing chamber, and go right back to spraying.
I've been spraying with an AP Fusion for 6 years now. Just had an opportunity to get on the end of the line here, spraying Gratco's new FX gun. As far as my reviews and opinion on it, pretty flawless gun overall. Trigger speed's pretty quick, definitely a whole lot different than the AP Fusion. A lot lighter gun. I think they told me it comes in somewhere about a pound difference. And it's just the whole design of it. It's much more comfortable in your hand, easier to control. I'll be getting one here for my second rig.
If you're interested in training, check out our website or give us a call.